How to increase spending limit on Instagram ads. Now in this video, I'll show you a quick tip for you to increase your spending limit on your Instagram ads account. First is make sure that you open up Instagram application and make sure that you're logged in into the account. Now the account that you will extend or increase the spending limit, it has to be a professional account. Next is at the top right to simply tap on the three lines. Now from settings and activity, just simply scroll down and then under for professionals, choose on creator tools and controls. And then in here, choose on ads payments. Now from ads payments, choose on billing and payments. Now this is where you can actually increase your spending limit on your Instagram ads, but it may not be available for everyone. If account spending limit increase is not available for one of these options right here, you just have to choose on go to help center or get payment support. So that's the most convenient way for you to increase spending limit on Instagram ads.